Instance status and scaling. We are going to see what is status check, instance check and scaling. Status check. The status check is performed by the AWS. The goal of the status check is to detect the problem that could be affecting the performance of EC2 instance. There are three types of status check: system check, instance check and attached EBS status check. System check. The system check is performed by the AWS and not by the customer. So here the AWS monitor their own infrastructure like the physical host or data center. So if there is any problem arises in the AWS infrastructure, then the system check will be failed. In which condition the system check will be failed, or if there is a hardware failure in the physical host or the AWS data center is out of power region and there is a loss of network connectivity in the data center, means the system check will be failed. Instance check. The instance check is used to detect the problem in the operating system or the software that we installed. So that will be fixed by the user only, not by the AWS. So it is used to detect the problem inside the instance. In what are the conditions the instance check will be failed means, if the operating system failed to perform, or there is a memory shortage in the resources, or the network configuration is not connected properly, means the instance check will be failed. Attached EBS status check. We can attach the EBS volume to the instance, like it's a pen drive connected to the laptop. Suppose if the pen drive connection get loose or the pen drive is removed from the laptop, means our laptop can't able to read the file from the pen drive. Likewise, if there is a connectivity issues that exist between the instance and the attached EBS value, means the attached EBS status check will be failed. Amazon EC2 auto scaling. The Amazon EC2 auto scaling means here the AWS will automatically adjust the number of instances based on the demand. Which means when the traffic increases, the AWS will launch the more instances to handle it. And at the same time, when the traffic decreases, means the AWS will terminate the extra instance. By doing this, it helps us to optimize the cost also. Dynamic scaling. Dynamic scaling means that it will adjust automatically to the workload, which means we don't need to manually done it and we pay for only what we use. Let us take the e-commerce website. Normal days the website might get the moderate traffic only, but during any special offer days, means the number of users suddenly increases a lot. At that time, the auto scaling will be automatically launches the extra EC2 instance to handle the traffic. And the same time, once the sale is over, means the traffic will goes down. On that time, it will remove the extra instance. So we only pay for what we actually use. And so it will help us to optimize the cost. There are two types of scaling. One is horizontal scaling and another one is vertical scaling. In horizontal scaling, according to the demand, we are adding more instances to handle the traffic. So it will be done by manually through launching the additional instance, or it will be done by automatically using the scaling method. If we take the food delivery app like Swiggy or the Zomato, during normal hours, the number of user is in moderate level, but during the lunch or dinner time, the user will get increased. On that time, it will automatically scaling the instance to handle the demand. Vertical scaling. Vertical scaling means instead of adding more instance to handle the traffic, here we increasing the resource of the existing instance. So it also done either by manually or automatically. Instance state. Instance state. In pending state means the instance is being launched. But in running state means the instance is active and it is ready for use. Stopping state means the instance is shutting down. Stopped means it is is in like a shutting down state. Hibernate means it like a instance in positive state, which means in hibernate the rain RAM data is saved to the attached EBS volume storage. So in hibernate state means it will quickly restart the instant compared to the start state. So the data is permanently stored in the EBS, and terminate state means the instant is permanently deleted.